Hi guys, Sandy Ingram here. Welcome to the Education Matrix channel, where we discuss Iraqi dinar news and the politics of Iraq, including oil revenue, the Central Bank of Iraq, along with news surrounding the Zimbabwe dollar and the Vietnam dong. Well, the Iraqi early elections are over, and you can view the end of the video to get an idea of how the global news media viewed the election. According to the World Bank, Iraq's GDP grew by 0.9% year on year in the first half of 2021. Even with all the financial issues due to COVID-19, the country was still able to grow. Just before the election, there were meetings between the Central Bank of Iraq and the private banking system, including a workshop in collaboration with the Iraqi Private Banks Association. The workshop was entitled Global Digital Transformation and its Impact on Iraq's Business Environment. Let me repeat that. The name of the workshop was Global Digital Transformation and its Impact on Iraq's Business Environment. This page is in Arabic. You can use your browser translation option. Let's take a look and a listen to this report on the OPEC Plus meeting. This is good news for Iraq.
Is increasing oil production by 400,000 barrels a day and extending the OPEC Plus supply deal into the back half of next year. Now,
moving on to our investment section, I would like to finish the report on NFTs. The actions of citizens in the Western world have gone a little weird. People are flipping digital art and employees submitting their resignation forms to play online games that give them daily profits. The NFT category is a part of this online game industry in a big way. NFT stands for non-fungible tokens. An NFT is basically data stored or accounted for in a digital ledger. And this data represents something specific, like music or art. This information is stored in different blockchains with smart contract capabilities. Now, the bottom line is the value of the item, digital art, collectibles, or games, can increase and be sold for a profit. The NFT data is blockchain safe and serves as proof of ownership. To purchase NFTs, you will need a digital wallet. As you can see from your screen, it looks like a kid's digital store. Yet you can also see the dollar amounts associated with this new craze.